means the earth, its structure, and the entire ecosystem. The word geography is derived from the Greek word geographian, means the study of earth. There are two kinds of geography, namely physical geography and human geography. Eratosthenes, Unum Greca, coined the term geography. He is used as the father of geography, father of modern human geography. Friedrich Pretzel, Germany. Total area of the earth, 51 crore square kilometer, 19 crore 70 lakh square kilomiles. The earth is broadly divided into land 29.2% and water 70.5 to 70.8%. Layers of the earth: the crust, the mantle, the outer core, the inner core. Atmosphere of the earth: earth's atmosphere can be divided into five main layers. Exosphere, 700 km, the highest layer, 440 miles. Thermosphere, 80 to 700 km, 50 to 440 miles. Mesosphere, 50 to 80 km, 31 to 50 miles. Stratosphere, 12 to 50 km, 7 to 31 miles. Troposphere, 0 to 12 km, 0 to 7 miles, the lowest layer. Solar system. Solar system consists of planets, stars, satellites, asteroids, minor planets, meteoroids.
यहीँनिर क्वेसन दुई तीनवटा क्वेसन यहीँनिर फसिसक्यो हो. वाट आर द टाइप्स अफ जियोग्राफी भन्यो, त्यही सिद्धिहाल्यो. एउटा क्वेसन जेनरली प्रायः जस्तो सोध्छ, फिजिकल एन्ड ह्युमन जियोग्राफी. हु इज द फादर अफ जियोग्राफी, त्यहीँनिर सिद्धि हो. अनि यो एटमोस्फेरिक लेयरहरूको कुराहरू सोध्छ. यहीँनिर 4-5 वटा क्वेसन. कम अन, गो अन एन्ड मेक अ भेरी स्पेसिफिक नोट है. एकदमै चुस्त किसिमको नोट बनाउने.
Solar system. Solar system consists of planets, stars, satellites, asteroids, minor planets, meteoroids, etc. The large heavenly bodies revolving around the sun are known as planets, and the smaller bodies revolving around the planets are known as satellites. Satellites do not have their own light. There are 8 planets in the solar system. Pluto has been excluded from the list of planets on August 2006 AD. Pluto has been listed as an asteroid's minor planet. Sun, Heloise. The Sun is the most massive and influential member of the solar system. Its gravity holds the planets, satellites, comets, and asteroids orbiting it. The Sun is at the center of solar system and orbits around the center of the Milky Way galaxy. It is the nearest star from the sun. From the Earth, the main source of heat and light of the Sun is nuclear fusion. Time taken by the Sun rays reach down the Earth: 8 minutes 20 seconds. Major composition: hydrogen 76.4%, helium 21.8%. There are 8 planets in the solar system. 1. First, Mercury, named after the Roman god Mercury, god of communication, smallest planet, nearest planet from the sun, and has no satellite. And another is Venus, Aphrodite, named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. Brightest and hottest planet, receive more heat per square kilometer from the sun, also known as the morning star and evening star, nearest planet from the earth and does not have any satellites. Venus and earth are called twins planet. Venus spins slowly in the opposite direction of most planets. And third one is earth. Earth, known as blue planet, blue marble, living planet. Time taken by the earth to revolve around the sun: 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes, 46 seconds. Time taken by the earth to rotate in its own axis: 23 hours, 56 minutes, 4.09 seconds. Moon is the only satellite of the earth. Major composition: nitrogen 78.8%, oxygen 20.95%, and argon is 0.93%. Another is Mars, named after the Roman god war. Mars, known as red planet due to higher concentration of iron oxide. Satellites to Phobos, fear or terror, and Deimos, dread. And another is Jupiter, god of sky, named after the lord of Roman god Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system and king of the planet also. This planet has the highest number of satellites, 63. Largest satellites, Ganymede, is found in this planet. It was discovered by Galileo Galilei. It has its own magnetic field. And Saturn's named after the god of terror. Saturn, number of satellites, 60. Largest satellite is Titan. Saturn, B1 planet like Moon. It is the second largest satellite. Only planet consisting of ring system consists of 9 major rings and 3 sub-rings yellow in color, so known as yellow planet. Uranus, symbol of Lord Indra, god of morning, also known as the unsuccessful star. Number of satellites 27. And Neptune, god of ocean and the sea. Total satellites 13. Largest satellite. Triton, it has the widest place in the solar system. Terrestrial planet or inner planet, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Outer planets or gaseous planet, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Ice planet, Uranus and Neptune due to higher concentration of ice. Dwarf planets, Pluto, Ceres, Europa, Eris. Satellites, the bodies that revolve around the planets are called satellites. Satellites do not have their own light. Mercury and Venus do not have satellites. Total number of satellites 166. Moon, the only satellite of the Earth, takes 27 1/3 days to revolve around the Earth. It does not have its own light, seems bright as it reflects light from the sun. The first footstep of human in Moon, 1969, July 21 by Neil Armstrong. Continents, order of the continents based on geographical area: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia. Asia, home of main extreme continent. Largest continent, occupies 1/3 of the total land surface of the world, that's 29.8%. It is known as the extreme continent because of empty average highest point 8,848.86 meter, highest peak of the world, lowest point surface of Dead Sea, Israel, 392 meter below the sea level. The coldest place of the earth, Borkhyangs, minus 34 degrees Celsius, constitute 60% of the world's population. Most populated continent, city with highest number of population, Tokyo, Japan. The deepest lake, Baikal Lake, 1,667 meter, world's deepest. The place with highest amount of rainfall, Cherrapunji, India. The deepest gorge in the world, Kaligandaki Gorge, between Annapurna and Dholagiri, 6,967 meter. Deepest valley in the world, Oran Valley, 8,391 meter deep. The longest wall, the Great Wall of China, 6,200 miles. Largest peninsula, Arabian Peninsula, 32 lakh 5,000 square kilometer. Roof of the world, Pamir, Pothar. Total land located countries, 12 largest, Kazakhstan, smallest, Armenia. Largest country, China, and smallest country, Maldives. Ural mountain differentiates Asia and Europe. The most pictured mountain is Mount Fuji, Japan. The country that lies in both Asia and Europe is Turkey, Sikh main patient of Europe. Africa, the dark continent, Jew of the world, founded by David Livingstone in 1856 AD. The continent is divided in the mid region by the equator. The longest river in the world, Nile, Egypt, 6,690 kilometers, originated from Victoria Lake. The largest lake, Victoria, 64,490 square kilometers, Tanzania, Uganda. The largest desert of the world, Sahara, 84 lakh square kilometers. Total land of country, 16. Largest, Chad, smallest, Rwanda. The youngest country of the world, South Sudan, continent with highest production of diamond, Kimber Khan, South Africa. Ethiopia is known as the house of coffee. Congo River, the only river that separates Mediterranean Sea. North America, New World, founded by Christopher Columbus of Italy in 1492 AD, the hottest place on the earth, Death Valley, California, the largest river, Mississippi, Missouri, 6,240 kilometers, the largest lake, Superior Lake, Canada and USA, world's largest freshwater lake. There are no any landlocked countries in North America. Panama Canal differentiates North America and South America. South America, continent of birds, largest lake, Titicaca, Peru, Bolivia, on the arm of Caribbean Sea. Longest waterfall, Angel, 979 meter, Venezuela. Longest mountain range, Andes, 7,200 kilometer long, Colombia, Chile. Largest river, Amazon, 6,296 kilometer, Brazil, world's largest river. Longest river, Amazon, world's second longest river. Capital city at the highest altitude of the world is La Paz, Bolivia, 3,658 meter. Landlocked countries too, Bolivia and Paraguay. The city that lie in the southern part of the world, Punta Arenas, Chile. The canal that joins South America and Antarctica, Deca. Another is Antarctica, roof of the snow ice sheet. There are no any countries and human settlement in this continent. 90% area is covered by the snow and 2% by soil and rock. All the four sides of the continent is covered by Antarctic Ocean. World longest glacier, Lombard Glacier, 400 km length. The first Nepali to reach Antarctica, Bhuvan Singh Vishwakarma. The last continent to discover young continent. And there is Europe, Peninsula continent, brightest continent, oldest country, San Marino, total land of countries 16, economic river of Europe, Rhine, the river that flows through 7 countries. Then Danube, Bay, also known as international river, Germany, Austria, Hungary, Czechoslovakia, Bulgaria, Romania. This continent has no desert. Basket of Europe, Ukraine. Another is Australia, continent of Iceland, amazing continent, continent of kangaroo. Almost all the part of this continent lies in southern hemisphere. There are no permanent rivers. Half of the area is surrounded by desert. The population of sheep is 3 times more than the human population. The continent is regarded as the last point of Earth. The largest river, Murray-Darling, 4,352 meters. Largest city, Sydney. Continent at a glance. Continent, Asia, area occupied 29.8%, population 60%, highest point, empty average 8,848.86 meters. Nepal, lowest point, Dead Sea, Israel, largest lake, Baikal River, Yangtze grassland steppes. And there is Africa, 20.2%, 14.6%, Kilimanjaro, 5,895 meters, Tanzania, Lake, Asal, Djibouti, Victoria, Nile, Beld. North America, 16.5%, 7.8%, EMT, Mesnilska, 6,194 meters. Death Valley, California, Superior, Mississippi, Missouri, Pyre. South America, 12%, 5.7%. Aconcagua, 6,861 meters. Argentina, Venezuela, Bells, Maracaibo, Amazon, Pampas. Antarctica, 9%. Fritjof Nations, 5,776 meters. Bundesliga Glacier, Vostok. Europe, 7%. Europe, 7%, 10.7%. Empty all birds, 5,633 meters. Russia, surface of Caspian Sea, Caspian, Volga, steppes. Australia, 5.3%, 0.5%. Empty Kosciuszko, 2,443 meters. Surface of Eira Lake, Murray-Darling, अनि डोन्स continent countries large continent Asia countries 48 largest country China smallest country Maldives desert Gobi China and Mongolia glacier Siachen Africa 54 countries largest country Algeria smallest country Seychelles desert Sahara 11 countries glacier Kilimanjaro North America 23 countries Canada largest country Canada smallest country Aztec Novins desert Sonora USA and glacier is Howard South America 12 countries largest country Brazil smallest country Trinidad and Tobago desert Patagonian Argentina and glacier is Prato Moreno Antarctica glacier Lambert Europe 44 countries largest country Russia smallest country Vatican City desert no desert and glacier is Batna Jokul Australia 13 countries largest country Australia smallest country Nauru the Great Victorian Australia or Iceland largest country in terms of areas Russia Canada America China Brazil smallest in terms of area Vatican City 0.44 square kilometer Monaco Nauru San Marino oceans 70.8% of Earth's surface is covered by water 89% of total water is covered by oceans and 11% by seas, river, lakes, glacier, etc. 89% total water is covered by ocean and 11% by sea, river, lake, glacier, etc. Now another is indicator area cover Pacific Ocean 45.5%, Atlantic Ocean 23%, Indian Ocean 20.5%, Antarctic Ocean 7%, Arctic Ocean 4%. Shape triangle Atlantic Ocean S, Indian Ocean U, and Antarctic Ocean O, circle, and Arctic Ocean also circle. Depth 4,300 meter, 3,700 meter, 39 meter, 3,900 meter, 2,400 meter, 1,330 meter. Pacific Ocean deepest portion Mariana Trench 17,776 meter. Atlantic Ocean Puerto Rico 9,200 meter. Indian Ocean Java Trench 7,450 meter. And Antarctic Ocean South Sandwich Trench 7,225 meter. Arctic Ocean Molo Peninsula 5,608 meter. Nickname Pacific Ocean Ocean of Peace and Simplicity. Atlantic Ocean Ocean of Commerce busiest ocean. Indian Ocean Ocean of Mineral Oil Ocean of Monsoon. Antarctic Ocean Ocean of Southern Hemisphere. Arctic Ocean Ocean of Northern Hemisphere. In fact, Atlantic Ocean Bermuda Triangle lies in this ocean. Indian Ocean nearest ocean to Nepal. Antarctic Ocean covers Antarctic from all four sides. Latitude and longitude. Latitude horizontal lies imaginary parallel to the equator. Equator is the basis for all the horizontal lines. The equator is 0 degree latitude and the widest circumference of the globe divides the earth into northern and southern hemisphere. There are altogether 180 latitude northern hemisphere, 90 southern hemisphere, 90. The equator is of longest length. Latitude line determine location, distance, climate, condition. Latitude are formed at the distance of 1% from 0 degree to 90 degree. 1 degree latitude equal to 111 kilometer. 23 1/2 degree northern hemisphere, Tropic of Cancer, and 23 1/2 degree southern hemisphere, Tropic of Capricorn. 62 1/2 degree northern hemisphere, Arctic Circle. 66 1/2 minute southern hemisphere, Antarctic Circle. Sun lies directly at this state to equator. So at equator there is There is maximum hot and at the latitude increases, the coldness increases, so there is maximum cold at poles. Longitude, vertical lines that runs north to south, converging at the poles, also called meridians. Reference Greenwich, UK for drawing poles. Longitude lines are not parallel and meet at the poles. Longitude helps to decade long local time. 0 degree longitude is the prime meridian. These lines are drawn on the reference of 1 degree. Eastern hemisphere 180, western hemisphere 180, total 360. Longitude lines divide Earth into eastern and western hemisphere. All longitudes are half circle and of equal length. 1 degree longitude equal to difference of 4 minutes. East of poles time is faster and west of poles time is slower. All longitude at north south meet at the same point. 180 degree longitude is also known as the international dateline. Poles, imaginary lines drawn on the north and south from the center of the earth. Upper part, North Pole discovered by Robert Peril, USA in 1909 AD, and lower part, South Pole discovered by Roald Amundsen, Norway in 1911 AD. Earthquake. The shaking of the Earth's surface is also known as the earthquake. It is of two types, vertical and horizontal. Hypocenter, place where earthquake originates. It lies some points below the Earth's crust in the interior part of the Earth. Epicenter, the point on the Earth's surface where earthquakes is felt for the first time. Instrument used to measure earthquake is seismograph. Unit of measurement, Richter scale. Earthquake prevention day. Nepal is marked in Mark II from 2055 BS. Oldest earthquake record in Nepal, 1310 BS. Largest earthquake in Nepal, 1990 Mark II, 8.4 Richter scale. Epicenter, Chainpur, Sangkhwasabha. Latest earthquake in Nepal, 2072 Baisak 12, 7.6 Richter scale. Epicenter, Barapak, Gorkha. Largest earthquake recorded in the world, 1960 May 22, Chile, 9.5 Richter scale. Mountain range, the highest mountain range in the world, Himalayan range, Asia continent. The longest mountain range in the world, Andes, 7,200 kilometer. Ridge Mountain, Colombia, Chile. 96 peak out of 109 lie in the Himalayan range. The highest peak inside the sea, Cordillera. So major mountains peak all Europe, France, Italy, Switzerland, Austria, and Liechtenstein. Rocky, North America, USA, and Canada. Balkan, Bulgaria, Smoky, USA, Himalayan, Nepal, India, China, Bhutan, Pakistan, 2,400 kilometer. Jura, France and Switzerland. Black Mountain, UK, Alps. Balkan, Bulgaria, Karakoram, India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, China. Olympic, USA, Pamir, Tajikistan, China, Afghanistan. Adams Peak, Sri Lanka, Ural, Asia and Europe, Pamir, Tajikistan, China, Afghanistan. Blue Mountain, Australia, and Chile, Argentina, Peru, Bolivia, Ecuador. Famous place on the bank of the river of different rivers: Kathmandu, Bagmati, Delhi, Yamuna, Patna, Ganga, Washington, Potomac, Agra, Yamuna, Lowry, Ravi, Rangoon, Irawati, Baghdad, Tigris, Montreal, St. Lenis, Tokyo, Sumida, Colombo, Killarney, Cairo, Nile, London, Thames, New York, Hanson, Warsaw, Vistula. Geographical nickname of different countries and cities: Cockpit of Europe, Belgium, Speaker Corner, Britain, Playground of Europe, Switzerland, Land of Irons, Afghanistan, Country of Thunder, Bhutan, Land of Thousands Elephant, Laos, Country of Wild Elephant, Thailand, Land of Morning Comes, Korea, Land of Rising Sun, Japan, Land of Thousand Elephant, Laos, Land of Morning Comes, Korea, Land of Rising Sun, Japan, Land of Midnight Sun, Norway, White City, Belgium, Sugar Pot, Cuba. Land of maple leaf, Canada. Land of golden fibers, Pakistan. Country of cakes, Scotland. Hermit kingdoms, Korea. Land of dwarf, Netherlands. Land of thousand lakes, Finland. Land of sitting sun, UK. Land of golden flicks, Australia. Major waterfall of the world name. Angel, length 917 meter, country Venezuela. Tugela, 948 meter, South Africa. Kutraz, Las Tres Hemans, 914 meters, Peru. Alpina, 900 meter, USA. Desert, Mustang district of Nepal is known as the desert. The climate of tundra of Himalayan region is known as the cold desert. Hot air known as Lu blows in western part of Nepal from Thar desert. Largest desert of Asia, Gobi, lies in between China and Mongolia. Largest desert in the world, Sahara. Major desert of the world, Sahara. 84 lakh. Location expanded to 11 North African countries. Australian 1 crore 55 lakh. Australia. Arabian 1 crore 30 lakh. Saudi Arabian Yemen. Gobi 1 crore 40,000. China, Mongolia. Kalahari 52. 5,20,000. Botswana. Taklamakan 32. 3,20,000. China. Sonora 3,10,000. USA. Namibia 3,10,000. Namibia. Karakul 2,70,000. Turkmenistan. Thar 2,60,000. Indian Pakistan. The largest sea of the world, South China Sea. 29,74,600. Deep 1,200. Caribbean Sea 27,53,000. 2,400. Mediterranean Sea 24,03,000. 1,485 deep. Bering Sea 22,68,180. 1,400 deep. Mexico Sea 15,42,985 square kilometer. Deep 1,500 meter. Major lake of the world, Lake Caspian Sea. Iran, Russia. Area occupied 3,94,399. Deep 946 meter. Superior Lake, USA to Canada. 82,414. 616 deep. Victorian Lake 69,485 square kilometer. 322 meter. Ural Lake, Russia 66,457 square kilometer. Deep 428 meter. Huron Lake, USA, Canada 59,596 square kilometer. Deep 397 meter. Michigan Lake, USA 58,016 square kilometer. Deep 517 meter. 17 meter. Volcano, the eruption of the melted rock, gases as smoke from the earth crust of the outer surface is known as volcano. These are found in melted forms. Inside the earth, they are called magma. Outside the earth, they are called lava. Point from which magma erupts, crater. There are 3 types of volcano: active, dormant, and extinct. The largest active volcano is Mt. Mauna Loa, Hawaii, Iceland, USA. Some of the physical discoveries and invention. Discovered in North America, Christopher Columbus, 1492 AD. India, Vasco da Gama, 1498 AD. Pacific Ocean, Ferdinand Magellan, 1519 AD. Solar System, Copernicus, Poland, 1540 AD. Speed of Solar System, Johannes Kepler, Germany, 1600 AD. Tasmania and New Zealand, Tasman, Holland, 1642 AD. Miscellaneous. Country named after the metals: silver, Argentina; diamond of desert, Libya, city at the highest altitude of the world. Lhasa, Tibet, country with highest number of Iceland. Indonesia, country that lies into countries. Turkey, river where no fish are found. Jordan, the climate of Sudan is also called the zoo of the world. Country that share its border with most number of countries. China, the earth is round. There was first quoted by Pythagoras. This was first quoted by Pythagoras. Country whose area is mostly occupied by forest. Brazil, the country that has no national anthem of its own. Switzerland, the country that has no central bank of its own. Panama, the only Arabian country that has no desert. Lebanon, the first country to explore the space. Russia, the scientific measurement system was introduced by Germany. The country with the oldest flag in the world. Denmark, the country with oldest monarchies in the world. Japan, the first country to provide voting rights to the women. New Zealand. The only European country that has no desert. Lebanon, the first country to explore space. Russia, the scientific measurement system that was introduced by Germany. The country with the oldest flag in the world. Denmark, the country with oldest monarchy in the world. Japan, the first country to provide the voting rights to the women. New Zealand, African countries dissected by Gabon, Congo Republic, Rwanda, Congo Democratic Republic, Kenya, and Somalia.
ल कति फाइदा भयो तिमीहरूलाई काम लाग्ने कुरा छ कि छैन अब अलि ज्ञानी भएर पढ्नु पर्यो हो भोलि बिहान चाहिँ फर्स्ट आवरमा यसको इक्जाम हुन्छ नि टाइममा आउने ओल्ड जियोग्राफीको है त
ओके सर
ल
हुन्छ सर
ल गुड नाइट